morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me, all over the world, around the globe. So one of our customers just got this and the one products this afternoon. So let me show you. The thing is open. This is manual, you understand, and then this is this one. And let me bring it out for you, customer, to see it very well. It's with nylon, you understand, and you can see it very well. This is solar generator. The capacity of this gel is 1,200, where the solar panel is 450 watts. As you can see this place, this logo, you can charge your phone through this head. And at the same time, this head, as you can see this head, you can charge it with two phones. Let me say iPhone and Samsung. It's only for iPhone and Samsung. So this is the front of the solar generator. The customer that is bought this one this afternoon, this customer also complained about the costly of fuel and the costly of diesel. Because every year you know that the amount they are selling petrol per liter, and the amount they are also selling diesel per liter. So solar generator is very, very available for all Nigeria. It's very, very available for all Nigeria. No more paying NEPA bill. Nothing like generator noise. Nothing like air pollution. Nothing like generator maintenance. With solar generator, your constant light is very, very guaranteed. With solar generator, your 24 hours light is very, very guaranteed. Solar generator gives you two things. Number one, solar generator gives you security. With light, there will be security everywhere. And at the same time, solar generator also adding value to your life and to your business. Do you understand? So I want to use this opportunity for people, for those who want to resell. If you want to do the business, maybe you want to buy 5 pieces of solar generator, you want to buy 10 pieces of solar generator, there is a discount. There is so much discount for those who want to resell. You want to buy 5, 10 pieces, 50 pieces, there is so much discount for you. Just chat me direct on my WhatsApp number. So God will bless you, all customers. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye bye.